Hello everyone, and thank you for watching today's video. Today we're going to go over the basics of what cryptocurrency is. I've been getting a lot of questions about what a cryptocurrency is and how people can get invested into it, even if they're just starting off. So today we're going to go over the basics, and hopefully we can answer some questions and get everybody invested into cryptocurrency. Now no, this is not financial advice, and anything that I tell you is just from personal recommendations from my own experience. I have lost some money into cryptocurrency, so I have a little bit of experience of some loss. I know what to stay away from, know a little bit what's safe, what to get into, but always do your own research and make sure you know what you're getting yourself into. Now, let's get started. Always gotta have some coffee. What the heck is a crypto? Today we're going to be going over the basics about what a cryptocurrency is. Now, I've had a lot of thought about what I should cover in this video. I'm just really going to cover the basics about how you can get started as a newcomer to the cryptocurrency universe and how you can just invest a little bit and possibly even get started into the cryptocurrency space for free. Yep, that's right, for free. All you have to do is watch some videos and you'll be able to earn some cryptocurrency and get kickstarted off on your crypto adventure. The first place I tell every newcomer to go to is Coinbase.com. Now, Coinbase is an exchange and you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. Now, not only can you buy and sell crypto on Coinbase, but you can actually earn some free crypto. If you go to earn rewards after making an account, you can sign up and you can watch videos and you can earn some free crypto. I've done this and I've earned about $30 in cryptocurrency so far, and I have $8 in pending crypto right now that I can earn. After earning your free crypto, it'll show up in your portfolio and then you can sell and trade your crypto as you would like. I earned all my free crypto and I traded it, sold it, it's long gone. I did that a long time ago. I'm definitely going to get that $8 here in a little bit. So you can go on Coinbase and you can view all the different kind of cryptocurrencies on the website or on the blockchain, or multiple different blockchains. We'll get into what a blockchain is later on in the crypto deep dive video that I'll be posting out in a few weeks. So the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Uniswap, and Litecoin are the top 5 cryptos right now. Now, honestly, these are the top. I would recommend on watching these top 5. These are the big gains. They have the top highest market cap. That is how a cryptocurrency is rated, on what the highest market cap is. Dogecoin is not listed on Coinbase, so these aren't really accurate on what the actual top 10 are. Not every crypto is on Coinbase. Coinbase really only has like your mainstream cryptos. Say if you want to see what your actual like top 10 cryptos are, I would recommend going something like CoinGecko, and they have a little bit more accurate of like what your top 10 would be. See, Doge right here is number 8. The Dogecoin has a $16 billion market cap right now, which is pretty freaking dope. Alright, so after you acquire some cryptocurrency on Coinbase, it would show up in your portfolio, and then you can sell and trade that crypto. Now, I don't recommend holding crypto into Coinbase, as it is just an exchange and not a wallet, so your crypto isn't 100% safe on Coinbase. Coinbase is centralized, so I can't say it's not safe on Coinbase, but they can stop you from sending your crypto out or possibly even selling your crypto. So what I recommend is using an external wallet, and what a wallet is an application. You can get one on your desktop, your browser, or even on your phone. One popular one that I use on my phone and desktop is called Exodus. I used Exodus to hold all my Dogecoin when I had some Dogecoin right before I just sold it all off recently. Now, I held all my Dogecoin in my wallet externally, and that's because I used to have it on Robinhood, and after the GameStop Robinhood issue, I didn't want to hold any of my coins on Robinhood, so I moved all my coins. I sold all my stuff from Robinhood, got all my money. I bought some Doge on Binance. I sent all my Doge from Binance to the Exodus wallet, and I held it in the Exodus wallet for the last 2 months. Now, the last 2 months I held it in my Exodus wallet, and when it was time, I took all my Doge, sent it back to Binance, and then sold all my Doge off in Binance. Now, the reason I did that is because one of my coworkers, they had Doge and they still had it in their Robinhood. When Doge just recently skyrocketed, Robinhood sold off all his Doge, and he wasn't able to get the big gains that everybody else was because they sold it while it was on the incline and not when it was at its peak. That's one reason I recommend on staying away from keeping your crypto in an exchange and moving it to one of these external wallets. But always do your own research about what you're getting yourself into. I just really like this one because it has a nice UI setup. You can earn some interest, so if you hold ADA, you can earn like 4.21% interest. They also offer interest on all some other coins that you can hold on here. They also offer a nice portfolio, customizable background. You know, it's just really nice. And they also have an app for your phone, which I found is pretty sweet. Other option for a wallet is the MetaMask wallet, which is pretty popular for the browser. It's a browser-based wallet, and they also have an application. Now, all your wallets, they come with this what's called a hash, and the hash is your wallet address. So if you want to receive some crypto, you're going to copy and paste this your wallet address here. So if you want to send me some Ethereum, copy this address. Let's say I go to Notepad real quick. Just want to show you guys. You can paste this in, and that's what my whole wallet address looks like for my ETH. So you can send me some ETH at this wallet address here. But every wallet has an address like that, whether it be a application wallet, browser wallet, or hardware wallet. So if I even go to here to my my application wallet and I want to receive some ADA, this is my ADA address right here. It looks a lot different than my other one because our ADA has its own network, so the hashes are going to look a little bit different than something that would be on the Ethereum or the blockchain network. Now, added onto the wallets, if you want to get a hardware wallet, it's completely off the books. So like how I talked about earlier, people can lock up your crypto and prevent you from sending your crypto from one place to the other. You can't do that on a hardware wallet. The hardware wallet is all yours, and you can send and receive your crypto as you please. Now, there's two different ones. There's the Ledger wallet and the Trezor wallet. I recommend the Trezor because it just seems like they can hold more. Like the Model T, it's a little more expensive, but you can hold all the altcoins and pretty much every other coin you're going to buy in the future from there on out. The Ledger is pretty limited, but they do have a cheaper side. Like I think it's only like $60. But if you do get a hardware wallet, I recommend getting it directly from the website itself and not through any third party like Amazon or eBay, because those devices can be tampered with, and you could possibly not send crypto to your wallet but to somebody else's wallet. So always make sure that you buy a hardware wallet directly from the website and the manufacturer themselves. One thing I really like about Coinbase as well is that you can do research directly from Coinbase. So if you want to learn about some Bitcoin, you got the official website and the white paper for the Bitcoin right here. Now the official website will take you directly to the Bitcoin's website. The white paper will take you to the nitty-gritty details about what Bitcoin is, how it was made, and why it was made. So you can learn all about what the blockchain is, how the blockchain works, how the hashes work, how the transactions are verified, how somebody can mine cryptocurrency, all that good stuff. I highly recommend reading through some of it. I've read through some Ethereum white paper, I read through some Cardano white paper, and one I'm really bullish on right now is Helium. Always do your own research, don't just take my word for it. I don't own any Helium right now, I'm just getting into mining it. So after you acquire some crypto, you can keep it on the exchange or send it to one of the wallets that we just talked about. If you're just getting into the crypto space, you can leave it in Coinbase. And I'd say if you're super new to the crypto space, there's no problem leaving all your crypto in Coinbase, but once you start getting really familiar with it and you start grabbing some altcoins, some other stuff like that, then I'd start recommending using one of those wallets that we talked about. But that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. Just a basic video on how to get involved and start investing into some crypto. But do watch out for my new video called What is Crypto? Deep Dive. We'll be getting more into like what the blockchain is, what decentralized finance is, and how to use some things like Uniswap and play some crypto video games. Please like and subscribe below if you want to see more crypto videos in the future, and leave a comment if you think I missed any questions or if you think there's any improvements I could make to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.